January ni kwa sang hi samhi paruk ania thlapasa December ni thuma lai autonomous district council in thanpui neya party mala sarkar na siam thei anom lo wangin sarkar siam tuma malak na trumthum azuji nuwa member pariat nei MNF le member pasari nei Congress 10 United Legislature Party dinin governor hena sarkar na an siam thei thu voin khan an thlen MNF le Indian National Congress in Kop United Legislature Party chuan an hruai tuatan MNF member longtlai char mari bial tu MDC Pusi Lalsom Zuala an thlanga Pusi Lalsom Zuala hian LADC a sarkar na asiam thei thu le thlop tu anga tok thu governor a hian thlenin governor chan na ngai chan mek ani LADC a hian in thanpui neya bial somhi panga a MNF in bial riat lain Indian National Congress in bial sari Zoram People's Movement in bial ru BJP le Independent in bial hi ve an la a in than result riat fel ani hnuwa in than laia thok dun MNF le Congress thodun na chu Congress in chuchatin ZPM le Congress chuan thodun tumin ma an la a ZPM thunei tu sang lamin thodun an remti lo wangin ZPM le MNF chuan thodun na tur thui tak kalpuin sarkar ruang am tur po siam felin December ni som panga khan an hruai tu ZPM member puti zaku nga chuan governor hena sarkar asiam thei thu athlena governor atanga chana ngai chan ani lain tun thla ni ruk khan MNF General Headquarters chuan ZPM nen an thodun na an chuchata LADC a sarkar na siam tura indorna akal kol mek lain MNF le Congress chuan United Legislature Party dinin sarkar na siam tumin ma an lamek